Have you ever imagined living in a world without the internet, cars, or even electricity? Life would be very different, right? But thanks to science, we have learned how to create amazing technology that makes our lives more comfortable and exciting. Now, when thinking about science, technology, and society, science is the way we learn about the world around us. Scientists ask questions, do experiments, and find out new things about how everything works, like why the sky is blue or how plants grow. The technology, on the other hand, is the tools and machines we use to make our lives easier. It can be anything from a simple pencil to a smartphone or even a spaceship. It also helps us solve problems and do things faster and better. Society is all the people who live together in a community. It includes our families, friends, schools, and even the rules we follow to get along with each other. Science, technology, and society is about how these three things are connected to each other. It shows us how science and technology affect the way we live and how society can change the way we use science and technology. Now, you understand what science, technology, and society are? Let's explore how is it began in the Philippines.
The development of science, technology, and society in the Philippines has been shaped by the country's history and challenges. Before colonization, Filipinos had their own knowledge system, particularly in agriculture, navigation, and medicine. When the Spanish arrived, they introduced European methods, but science and technology were largely reserved for the elite. The Americans, during their occupation, modernized education and established institutions that promoted scientific research, such as the Bureau of Science. After gaining independence, the Philippines government began prioritizing science and technology, especially in education and public services. The creation of the Department of Science and Technology in the late 1980s was a key moment in the country's commitment to this field.
Villanueva del Mundo. Del Mundo was born on November 27, 1911. She died in August 6, 2011. She was a Filipino pedestrian. She founded the first pedestrian hospital in the Philippines and known for shaping the modern China. She gained international recognition, including the Ramon Magsaysay Award for Public Service in 1977. Del Mundo was noted for her pioneering work on infectious disease in the Philippines communities. In the 1950s, she pursued study on dengue fever on a common mainly in the Philippines, of which little was known at that time. She was made a device, an incubator made out of bamboo. She designed for use in rural communities without electrical. It's a low-cost and readily assembled solution for premature infant. Her work revolutionized childcare in the Philippines.
Gabino Trono Jr. was born on November 11, 1931. Is a Filipino marine biologist dubbed as the father of Kappa Picos farming. He was conferred the rank of National Scientist of the Philippines for contributions to the study of tropical marine psychology, focusing on seaweed biodiversity. Throughout his career, Trono has conducted extensive research on marine bacteria and microorganisms, discovering new species and studying their potential applications in medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. His work has led to the development of novel bioactive compounds from marine microorganisms, which have shown promising potentials as antibiotics, antifungals, and anti-cancer agents. In addition to his research, Trono has also been a dedicated educator, sharing his expertise and passion for microbiology with the next generation of scientists. He has served as a professor at the University of the Philippines Marine Science Institute and has supervised numerous graduate students in their research on marine microbiology and biotechnology.
Eduardo Quisimbing was a renowned Filipino botanist and a leading authority on the medical plants of the Philippines. Eduardo Quisimbing, early life and education. He was born on November 24, 1895 in Santa Cruz, Laguna. Quisimbing was the son of Honorato de los R. Quisimbing and Shiriaca F. Argales. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Biology from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños in 1918. He then pursued his Master of Science in Botany at the same university in 1921. Quisimbing was further his study at the University of Chicago, where he earned his PhD in Plant Taxonomy, Systematics, and Morphology in 1923. Career and contributions. Quisimbing worked in a variety of institutions over the course of his career, which lasted several decades. From 1920 to 1926, he was attached to the College of Agricultural at the University of the Philippines. He then moved to the University of California from 1926 to 1928. In February 1934, Quisimbing served as the acting chief of the Natural Museum Division of the Bureau of Science in Manila. He was later appointed as the director of the National Museum, a position he held until his retirement in 1961.
Science, technology, and society have a significant impact on our daily lives. From the way we communicate to how we work, eat, and access information, technological advancement have transformed the fabric of modern living. Innovations like smartphones, the internet, and computer have revolutionized communication, allowing people to connect globally in real time. Science, through advances in healthcare, has extended life expectancy and improved quality of life with treatments, vaccination, and medical technologies. In transportation, technological developments have made travel faster and more efficient, shrinking the world and fostering global trade, cultural exchange. Moreover, society reliance on technology is evident in industries such as agriculture, where automation and biotechnology have boosted food production to meet the demands of growing populations. This innovation, driven by scientific discoveries, have shaped our economic structures, social interactions, and even how we approach environmental sustainability, illustrating that science and technology are fundamental to societal progress.
As a student, you can promote science, technology, and society in the Philippines by engaging in several activities aimed at raising awareness. For example, organize seminars and webinars. Collaborate with your school science club or organization to invite guest speakers, experts, or professors to talk about current scientific developments and their social implication in the Philippines. Highlight how technological advances impact such as health, education, and the environment. Participate in science fair and competition. Join or help organize science fairs and competition that encourage innovation and critical thinking, such as the National Science and Technology Fair or NSTF. Show them how technology solution can solve real-world problems, especially issues affecting Philippine society. Educational content. Use social media or blog platforms to share interesting science, technology, or society-related news or discoveries. You can also create podcasts or a YouTube video explaining scientific concepts in simple language, showcasing Filipino scientists and inventors, or discussing how technology affects everyday life in the Philippines. Engaging in research projects. Conduct small research projects related to science, technology, and society that focus on local problems such as environmental sustainability, waste management, or digital education. Share your findings in science journals, school papers, or social media platforms to inform and educate others.
The relevance of science, technology, and society in the Philippines is crucial, especially in addressing the country's key challenges today. Science and technology play a pivotal role in improving various sectors, including agriculture, healthcare, and education. Advances in agricultural technology, such as improved crop varieties and modern farming techniques, help increase food security in healthcare. New medical technologies and innovations enhance disease prevention and treatment, especially during health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic. STS also fosters technological literacy and critical thinking, equipping Filipinos with the skills needed to thrive in an increasingly digital and globalized world. Additionally, STS is vital in disaster preparedness and environmental sustainability, two pressing issues in the Philippines as a country prone to natural disasters. The use of technology for early warning systems, disaster risk management, and climate change mitigation is essential for protecting lives and property. Furthermore, the integration of sustainable technologies help promote cleaner energy sources, reduce environmental impact, and build resilience against the effect of climate change. In the broader context, STS encourage societal progress by addressing inequalities and providing access to technological advancements that improve the quality of life for all Filipinos.
The Philippines faces several challenges in improving science and technology, including inadequate funding, lack of infrastructures, and brain drain. Insufficient government investment in research and development or R&D limits the country's ability to innovate and compete globally. Many scientists and researchers lack access to modern equipment and laboratories, which hinders scientific progress. Additionally, brain drain or the migration of skilled professionals to other countries for better opportunities weakens the country's talent pool, slowing down technological advancement and innovation. To address these challenges, the government can increase funding for R&D and provide incentives for both public and private sectors to invest in science and technology. Strengthening partnerships between universities, industries, and international organizations can also improve infrastructure and research capacity. Furthermore, creating more attractive career opportunities and offering competitive salaries for scientists and engineers in the country can help retain talent. Lastly, improving STEM education and promoting innovation at the grassroots level can build a stronger foundation for the future advancements in science and technology in the Philippines.
Yes, absolutely, because normal individuals can play a vital role in contributing to science, technology, and society. Here are a few ways in which individuals can contribute. First, supporting ethical practices. By advocating for ethical consideration and responsible use of technology, individuals can influence the directions and impact of scientific and technology advancement on society. Second, promoting education of awareness. Individuals can contribute by educating themselves and others about the societal implication of science and technology, thereby fostering greater awareness and understanding with their communities. Third, engaging in civic discourse. By participating in discussion, debates, and decision-making process related to science and technology policies, individuals can help ensure the societal concerns and values are considered in the development and deployment of new technologies. Fourth, supporting sustainable and responsible practices. Through their choices as consumers and citizens, individuals can support and promote sustainable and socially responsible practices in the fields of science and technology. And the last, Participating in research and innovation, individuals can participate in citizen science projects, provide feedback on technologies, and contribute ideas and innovation that address societal needs and challenges. Overall, the collective contribution of normal individuals can have significant impact on shaping the responsible and beneficial integration of science and technology into society.